Here's how to use Godot game engine for beginners. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go ahead and install first the Godot file or the Godot zip file, and then afterwards what you need to do is go to your desktop or PC and unzip the Godot file that you have. So this is actually named as Godot.exe. Now after unzipping the file or the file Godot, you will be able now to see it under your desktop. So what you need to do is to click on the Open Asset Library. So you'll be redirected to the main library options of the Godot. And then afterwards, what you need to do is to click on the new options, and from there, you can go ahead and install or create a game engine. So what you need to do is to put on the project name, and afterwards click on the create folder after putting on the necessary informations on the engine game that you wanted to actually put on your desktop or device.